Hello everyone. Today I'll introduce the installation and usage tutorial of the Clear-Tide diaphragm pump. Diaphragm pumps are widely used in application scenarios such as RVs, yachts, garden irrigation, rainwater collection, and other liquid transfer. Let's open the box and see what's inside. There is one manual, one strainer, including 2 gaskets, 2 adapters, 1 roll of Teflon tape, and 1 diaphragm pump. The following tools may be used when installing a diaphragm pump. This is the inlet hose of the water source. Let's connect it first. First, connect the strainer to the inlet of the water pump. Please ensure that the strainer is tightly assembled and sealing gasket is properly placed inside the outlet. Then connect one of the 1/2-inch NPT adapter to the strainer. Finally, thread the hose clamp onto one end of the inlet hose. Connect the hose to the adapter and fix the hose with the hose clamp. This is the outlet hose used with the terminal device. Its connection is very easy. First, connect one of the 1/2-inch NPT adapter to the outlet of the water pump. Finally, thread the hose clamp onto one end of the inlet hose, connect the hose to the adapter, and fix the hose with the hose clamp. Connect the pump to a dedicated circuit and use wire a stripper to strip the cord. Connect the positive wire, red, to the positive terminal of the battery. Connect the negative wire, black, to the negative terminal of the battery. If the space allows, the pump can be placed horizontally for floor installation. It can be either fixed on the floor with screws or leave it unfixed. If it is installed vertically, ensure that pump head is oriented downward to prevent leakage from causing malfunctions. Determine the locations of the mounting holes. Fix the pump with screws and washers. After the diaphragm pump was installed, the water flowed quickly and the water flow rate was high. Successful installation of water pump. Now let's test the diaphragm pumps can work normally. When the water in the tank is drained, the pump will automatically detect it and trigger the waterless protection. It will stop by itself within approximately 5 to 10 minutes to avoid dry running and prevent burnout. But please keep in mind that when entering the waterless protection period, the water pump will automatically restart periodically to repeatedly detect whether there is water available for operation. It will stop detecting after a certain period. After that, users need to manually unplug and replug the power supply to restore the normal operation of the water pump. The pump has an IPX5 waterproof rating. It can be used outdoors if necessary. If the pump is used continuously, it is recommended to clean the strainer once every 3 months. Please follow the steps below. Disconnect the power supply before any maintenance is carried out. Remove the strainer. Clean the inside of the strainer as well as the strainer screen with a brush, and then rinse thoroughly. Then reinstall the strainer and it will be all set. If the pump is not going to be used for a long time, it is recommended that you clean the strainer and the pump, drain the water, and then store them in a well-ventilated and dry place.